Tired of making special trips to the bank just to handle deposits or rush through a major payment? If you run a business, you know how crucial it is to manage cash flow and save time. Every minute spent driving to a branch or waiting for funds to clear is a minute away from serving your customers and growing your company. That's why services like wire transfers and remote deposit capture from Patriot Bank are not just conveniences, they're essential tools for modern business efficiency. Let's start with wire transfers. In the financial world, sometimes speed is everything. Patriot Bank's wire transfer service, available through business online banking, allows you to send or receive high-value payments securely and, most importantly, in real time. Need to close a deal, pay a large vendor immediately, or settle an urgent overseas transaction? A wire transfer is the solution. It cuts down on the delays associated with checks or other electronic methods, giving you the power to move money precisely when it needs to move. This is about real-time money management and maintaining complete control over your critical business payments. Now, let's talk about remote deposit capture, or RDC. This feature is a game-changer for businesses that handle a volume of checks. Simply put, RDC turns your office into a virtual Patriot Bank branch. Imagine, no more bundling up checks, driving to the bank, and waiting in line. With RDC, you use a secure desktop scanner or even your mobile device to scan checks right from your workplace. These images are transmitted securely to Patriot Bank for processing. The benefits here are huge. You can make deposits 24/7, speeding up your access to funds and dramatically improving your cash flow. Plus, it frees up valuable staff time previously spent on bank runs, letting them focus on core business tasks. RDC also helps create a clear digital record of all your deposits for easier reconciliation and analysis. Whether you're looking to accelerate high-stakes payments with a wire transfer or streamline your daily check handling with remote deposit capture, Patriot Bank provides the secure, modern digital tools your business needs to operate faster, smarter, and with greater confidence. These services are all about taking friction out of your financial operations so you can put the focus back on growth. To find out more about how to integrate these services into your Patriot Bank business banking account, visit a branch or check out the Business Services section of the Patriot Bank website. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.